Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how we can easily draw a snake in Microsoft Paint. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Paint. Click on it under the best match. Then here, we have to simply start with the face first. So we need to put a circle right here for the face. And now let's fill this. So you will have this fill option and then choose the color. So let's go with gray and then pour it here. Now let's make the eyes. Circle again. And then do another one for the right eye. Now let's put some color in it. Use the fill option. Also for the second one. And now let's put a smile. So let's simply click on this line symbol, and then put that like that, and then twist it to put a smile. Okay, now once the face has been drawn, and then we have to select this one and then put this like that, and then press the shift key on your keyboard and then drag the snake as to anywhere would you like. And that's it. We have just drawn this monster snake. As you can see, the illustration of the snake. Let me show you this in bigger size. Okay, that's it. So this is now the snake that we have drawn. And it's very beautiful. So as easy as that, we have just created a snake in Microsoft Paint. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.